Hi, I'm Anamika, and I'm one of the co-founders of Zimmer Frauman. Zimmer Frauman basically is a D2C cleaning tech company. But before we get on to the introduction of company and business, I would wanted to take you through quickly the changing landscape of Indian household in terms of the cleaning requirements over the last decade. We see a drastic change in how our urban households used to be, and what they are now like. In terms of flooring, we have gone from a normal flooring to vitrified tiles, wooden flooring, carpeted flooring, marble and soft stones, and so forth. We have sophisticated kitchens. We have modular kitchens fitted with chimneys, grill, oven, and our baths have also become very sophisticated, with more ceramic and steel fittings. All right. We have seen the allied cleaning categories to suit the needs of cleaning of these changes have also grown drastically, right? What we are doing is that we are catering to this fast growing cleaning need of customers through our specialized cleaning category range. And we think that it's extremely suitable for a D2C distribution model. Few of our products are there on the screen. Okay, but there's more to it. This particular range we are using is to gain entry into the customer's mind. Okay, so as to get entry into the mainstream cleaning chemical industry, a toilet cleaner, dishwash, detergent, glass cleaner, bathroom cleaner, and so on. Okay, we are a tech-enabled D2C company, which is basically aiming to bring down the cleaning cost of Indian household by at least 50%. Okay, and in an environmental friendly way, more so in a sustainable and a profitable way as well. The question is that how are we doing it? Okay, we make concentrated products, and while we do this, we do with very efficient formulations, and as they are concentrated, that brings down drastically the packaging size and the weight of the product. Okay, so this in turn reduces our logistics cost drastically, which is of course another very prominent head in a business. Also, now less packaging means less plastic usage. Like for example, a floor cleaner, 1 liter floor cleaner can be diluted to 5 liters. So we save those four plastic bottles from getting into the environment, and if we make that calculation for 1 million units, we can see that we can save X number of X tons of CO2 emissions from getting into the environment. Right, and we have low foaming detergents, which saves around 50 liters of water per load of washing, and it translates into around 18,000 250 liters of water per year. Right, this the when the product is concentrated, is also translate into attractive pricing, low pricing, which can actually be passed on to the customer. Okay, also, see, these products are very flexible to use. Like, customer can dilute the product according to their need, like according basis the requirement or basis the soiling they are trying to clean. So there's a lot of flexibility as compared to the other products that are there in the market. Right, we have also seen that in last couple of years, in urban setups, people have started calling for professional cleaning services for stubborn and difficult cleaning, basically like a rust removal or carpet cleaning or sofa or upholstery cleaning, or hard water stain removal, and so on, and many other problems. But our specialized cleaning chemical range actually provides this kind of professional cleaning at a very reasonable cost. I mean, maybe 1/10 or lesser than that. Okay, So, so we come down to business now. That what are we doing in the real world? This was the story, the background of the brand. So we launched in September last year on Amazon with very few products, and in I think 3 or 4 months we were into the best-selling category. Like 15, almost 14 to 15 of our products are in best selling category for Amazon. um, and In the month of September, after the launch, we did a sale of 90,000, which grew to 6 lakhs in the month of Jan, and we closed around 20 lakhs, 28 lakhs in sales. I'm sorry, 28 lakhs in sales in the month of May. And we are currently doing around 6,000 units per month at an operating margin of 22%. Also, we have been talked about. We have been mentioned in couple of articles and by the prominent influencers on the internet. So to conclude, we have seen a very sharp and steady growth over this last 6 months. So we are very positive about the business, and if we get selected for this base camp, I think it will really help us to grow our brand. Take it to greater heights. Of course, increase the revenue. I guess it's going to be a great learning experience, and we really look forward to it. And I think that's about it. We would really look forward to hear back from you. Thank you so much.